Samana Pizanvosele, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. Oh, I love you. Anyway, guys, so today she did a Q&A on her Instagram account, and people had opportunity to ask her anything. When did you start listening to Maskandi? Lole Nompumelelo introduced me to Maskandi in 2022. Do you believe in second chances? Yes, I do. Uzokwazi ukuhlala eMzumbe yo angeke ngikwazi. Utirelo should not be staying in Muzumbe, guys. She wants to stay in the suburbs like Abu Mangwabe and Bomakomalo. Ke khopela umfe sebete sa go setja phone ya mona. Sometimes ha o hloke sebete. Hey Mara, your instincts will tell you something, and then the only way to find out a key phone. I also never thought I would go through guys' cell phone. Hey, how was your exam today? It was okay. Is Spindi your first boyfriend? Or Pendula would tell what he is my second boyfriend. With the Spindi being your second boyfriend, you mean you have one ex? Wow, yes, when you deserve someone also patakash. Yeah, so guys, somebody even asked, when did you meet Mpumelelo? She did say Ogote Bashangane go Instagram. So guys, people are saying Ogote the way we are beggars kona terrell, you can still get another one. There's no need for you Ogote. People really don't care get body count as long as they are happy, guys. They're not gonna stay in a toxic relationship for the sake of what I don't want to have many body count. So guys, maybe Utirelo Yena decided to go say, yeah, fine, I will go to the next guy, he will do the same thing. It's better ngihlale nompumelelo wami because I know umpumelelo. And some say, oh yes, uzohlala nompumelelo will end up being sick because you don't know what umpumelelo yenzane ngaphandle. He will be cheating, he doing all those stuff. So it's better for you and move on and get another man, guys. Utirelo did reply ukuthi yena akasiboni without umpumelelo. They did ask her ukuthi uzohlukana nompumelelo, and someone even asked ukuthi can I be a stepfather? Wathi Utirelo cha usingabakho akamdingi stepfather. So guys, there's a lot of people that are saying ukuthi I man Utirelo, she's still young, she can go out there, finish her degree. She's currently did say ukuthi yena ubusy ngama exams, so she has all the opportunity, guys. As nigeza na second chance empilweni, I move her on. But it seems like Utirelo, guys, uzohlala eMzumbe. She will begezela umpumela because this uyamthanda umpumela, guys. So anyway, guys, send me a conversation. What do you think about Utirelo, guys, not getting another boyfriend? Or some of you even think ukuthi maybe there's something to do in a body count, or maybe Utirelo uyamthanda kumpumelelo. So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.